Well, hello everybody. We're here now with the Ancient Fleischmann. I believe that this Fleischmann is a box cab electric. It's a 1C1. It's all metal. It's got a lot of fascinating parts. It's got replacement pantographs, but they do the job. I mean, they look interesting. And let's raise it up a little bit. Now, I haven't gotten all the bugs out of it, and it's got this really cuckoo switch right over here, which is hard to see. And I had to tape it in the wheel position. Otherwise, it goes either from the wheel or pantograph power. And it was so loose that it wouldn't maintain power. So I haven't gotten all the bugs out of it because it's supposed to make contact from the leading and the trailing truck. And there is contact there, but it's just not good enough. I don't know. It might have had to have a floating spring, which is long gone. That's something I could always try to add. Now, without getting reliable power from the leading and trailing trucks, which would just be one wheel each, on one side, if you don't count them, it only has one wheel pickup and three wheel on the other side. Why do I say that? Because two of the wheels on one side have traction tires. Now, it does want to go, but then it doesn't want to go. See, and it's kind of weird. If you give it a tap, and it's all cleaned up, it's very strange. Because on the test track, not the test track, but when you put power to it, it goes. Now there she goes. I can't risk her going all the way around. She'll never make it. It's a real mystery. I might just have to bypass that switch altogether. I don't want to get our pantographs trapped under the bridge. Anyway, this is an ancient, venerable piece. I was trying to get the illusion there. See, it kind of wants to go, and then it dies out. But remember, it's only got one wheel picking up on one side. So she wants to go. And she's too heavy to be pushed. So I really have to study up on Fleischmann. We got some nice result out of it. I mean, again, this is probably a 70-year-old locomotive. So, she's a little tired. She's got 4 light bulbs. Ooh. And she just might make it under there. Let's see what happens. See how weird that is? Nah, she just doesn't go. Now let's see what the power pack is telling us. There's no draw. So that means she's not picking up anything. So, and the wheels look squeaky clean. So I think that one wheel on one side thing is just so anybody's got any suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. And again, at least she's running in theory. Maybe if you were on pristine track, she just wants to fly. Again, I want to have to study up on Fleischmann. It's a beautiful engine, and it's from either the late 50s or early 60s. Hey, thanks for watching here at Bobby's Hobbies, and please like and please subscribe if you enjoy these kind of videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now.